Hello everyone and welcome to my e-lesson. I'm your guru, and in this video I will tell you how you can find all the blank rows in a data and delete them at one single time. Yes, if your data has a lot of blank rows in between and you want to find them all together and delete them in one shot, then this is the video you need to see. So let's see the video now. Hello and welcome to my e-lesson. I'm your guru, and in this video I'll teach you how you can delete multiple blank rows at one point of time. Well, all of us face this problem wherein our data contains a lot of blank rows like this one, then this one, then this one, and then we want to delete them, correct? Like this one and this one. So, is there a way wherein we can find all the blank rows and then delete them? Yes, there is. I'll show you how. So, this is the way I'm doing it, and see how easy it becomes. And now I simply delete them and bring my filter back. Now there is no blank row. I'm going to teach you how I did this. It is very simple. A combination of a formula and you are done. So this is the data that I have, all right, the same data that we had over there, all right, plus the blank rows. Now we need to find a way wherein we can identify the blank rows, correct, and then we need to delete them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a formula called Counta. So I'm going to give a title over here, and I'm going to use a formula called Counta, C-O-U-N-T-A. What it does is that it counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So I will apply this formula at the end over here of this data. So now it tells that there are 9 cells in this range that are not empty. Okay. And then I'm going to copy this. Why I am doing it, I'm going to tell you now. Now see, okay, let's make this font a bit large. So I'm using the format painter. Now wherever we find the result to be 0, that means that row is fully blank, correct? If it is fully blank, that means it can be deleted. Had there been a case that only this cell would be having some data over here and the rest would be blank, then the answer would be 1 over here. That means we might not want to delete it. But if it is fully blank, then the answer would be 0 over here, correct? If it is 0, that means the row is fully blank and we can delete it. So now after I have applied this formula, I am going to go ahead and apply a filter, correct? Simple. And once I have applied the filter, I am going to select all the cells which have the value 0. And now this is the list of all the rows which are blank. I will select them. So what I'm doing is I'm pressing Shift plus space. You can also select them by clicking on the number of the row, that is 4, and then press Shift and select down. Now I am going to right click it and delete row, or I can do a control minus. They are deleted. I will go back to the filter. I will click on select all, and my blank rows are deleted. Is it? It's simple, extremely simple, yes? Well, you can see this video and many more such videos on my website myelesson.org, and you can also download practice files from there for free. So I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Until the next video, this is your guru now signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy learning.